Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done like a personal get ready with me, which just means like I've done get ready with me's that are like inspired by something like the Renaissance. It's just been such a long time, and I kind of wanted to do something like this is personalized to me. This is just like an everyday look for me. Well, not an everyday look, but this is what I chose to do one day, and it's been a while since I've just done like a personal makeup look, you know, based off of what I like and not transforming into anybody or a character. This is just me on a regular day. So hopefully you like that. Like, I just basically film what I feel like is actually doing well on my channel, and get ready with me is like in the beginning when I first started my channel, the first year and second year, they did really well. Like, people loved get ready with me videos. And then I guess on the third year mark on YouTube, when the algorithm started changing, like these views just weren't these videos just weren't getting any views at all. And it's not about the views or anything, but when you spend hours editing a video and nobody sees it because it's not getting pushed to sub boxes, then you start to realize, okay, maybe people don't like get ready with me videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna be on here talking to you all and seeing what you would like to see. And also, I've had a few comments about people wanting to see different things, and also like people like my vlogs, but then when I just look at the ratio of character videos versus vlogs, or like movie videos versus vlogs, it's just, it doesn't compare. Like, people do not watch the vlogs, so I can't help but wonder, okay, I don't know if you guys like that. So I know that people don't like watching vlogs. They can be boring because our lives aren't always the most fulfilling. I know mine isn't. When I'm a full-time student, I have a job, I'm trying to do this and all, but yeah, so I'm just going to be kind of chit-chatty here and talking to you all about where the direction my channel is. And I've mainly just been focusing on character looks and nostalgic looks because I do want to be the nostalgic queen of the internet. I know I'm not the only person who does this, but yeah, back to the video. I just did something very simple. I just put like a white eyeshadow all over my lids, and I'm gonna stack some really long eyelashes on my eyes. But yeah, and I'm wearing these really cute lenses from BK Beauty, and they're these really pretty brown hazel contacts. I feel like they just made the look pop. You don't need lenses or anything. If you have brown eyes, you rock it. But every now and then I like to do something different with my look, and contacts definitely are fun, a lot of fun. But yeah, I really loved the way this simple look turned out. I mean, it's not simple because of the lashes, but I just kind of give it like an artsy aesthetic. Maybe it's because I did something artsy this day. I don't know. But I'm just placing a lot of blush on. I really love the look of blush that's kind of high on the cheeks and also on the nose. I don't know why, it's just very youthful, and I feel like you can get away with it when you want to do natural or heavy. Well, not too heavy, but I just feel like it really brings out your face. Now I'm taking this highlighter by foxybae, and it's called Hippo, and my favorite thing ever now is to run the highlighter down my nose, and I'm also going to be placing this on my inner corners as well. My favorite thing about this look is what you will see me doing with the lips. Like, I've been loving like kind of like a reddish toned down red lip, but first I'm just setting my face with the Morphe spray. I'm using the color called Tawny by Jordana. I love this lip liner. I wear this almost every day. It's just a good everyday neutral lip liner. It's creamy. You can shape your lips like the way you want it. My bottom lip is a little bit bigger than my top, so I always like to even that out. And I'm just taking this Korean lip product right here. I absolutely love this combo. I mean, you can find any type of creamy, reddish, pink nuded red lip like this, and I'm just using a clear lipstick, and that is it for the makeup. Hi guys, so I'm gonna talk for the hair portion. Oh my god, my shirt is falling off. Anyways, I showed you guys how I did my makeup for my hair. I was gonna talk a little bit for this. So I have this really cute travel-sized bag. I'm not traveling right now, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick. And this is how it looks, and this is what I'm going to be using for my hair today because I'm kind of in a rush and don't feel like pulling out my full-size products. But this is my travel-sized bag, and this is from foxybae. I've talked about foxybae before.
they didn't ask me to do this. I'm doing this on my own because I love this. I just got this and I really wanted to share it with you guys. And I wanted to show you the cute tiny little mini straightener because I'm going to do something cute with bangs today. And also the cute little wand. I'm going to show you guys that because it's really adorable, and I thought like whenever I love something I want to share it with you guys. But the first thing I'm going to do is going to add some heat protectant to my hair, and I'm using the foxybae Cool AF spray. And I love this stuff because it smells like cotton candy. As always, like for these products, if you guys do love anything, I have a coupon code and it is called Foxy Nicole, and that will save you 60% off the entire site. It's crazy because 60% off is more than half off, and that is a really great deal. So I'm just going to spray this all over my head. I have gone through maybe 4 bottles of this already. I absolutely adore this stuff. I don't want to go onto any type of other heat protectant because I love the way this makes your hair feel tacky. Like at first, it goes away after a while. And that's what makes your curl last and your curl stick. And I'll be showing you guys when I do curl my hair right now. So this is a really great stuff. I'm probably going to go in sections and spray it a little more. And on top of that, it smells so good. I get so many compliments on it. Yeah, so like I said, 60% off. That will save you, and if you bundle, it'll be more bang for your buck. But we can always talk about that while I'm doing my hair. I'm also going to be using my detangling comb brush. It's kind of gross because it has hair on it, but this is also from foxybae. Like I've just like moved on from regular products now, and I just use foxybae. This isn't sponsored. Like I said, they didn't ask me to do this. This is all voluntary. When I love something, I just talk about it, right? So I love this because unlike any other brush, like it doesn't pull on my hair. And I have another brush and that one pulls on my hair. I don't know what is with the bristles on this brush, but it just detangles my hair very nice, and I feel like I have very tangly hair. But anyways, I'm going to be plugging in the cute things. So like I said, my travel size bag looks like this, very aesthetic. They have a very cute aesthetic. I mean, look at this rose gold brush, and also the heat protectant spray is the marble, and everything in here is marble. So I'm going to show you that before I speed through my hair because this is a get ready with me. Look at the cute blow dryer. I used this last night when I washed my hair. It is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's like this little mini hair dryer, and it says foxybae on the side. And it's marble, and it folds up, so extra space when you're traveling. I adore it. I'm going to be using this little wand for my hair because I'm just going to be doing the ends. So it looks like this. It says it's like the version of the 25 millimeter. It looks slightly smaller than the 25 millimeter, so I think it's the underneath. Everything will be listed down below, but this is how it looks like. It's really cute. So if you just want to bring a wand but not take so much stuff, I'm going to plug that in. And also what comes in here is this cute little miniature straightener, and look, it has the marble theme as well. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that because my lights are a little bit bright, but it is so cute, and has the pink, like kind of like rose gold in the middle. It's so cute, and I'm going to be doing bangs, so this is going to be perfect for those hard to reach bangs. Well, like hard hairs to reach, I don't know. So those are both plugged in and ready to go, and I'm just going to be showing you how I do my hair. And all of that comes into that cute bag. So it looks like this. I love it. But yeah, let's just move on to the hair tutorial and switch back to voiceover.
So now we're back on just styling our hair. I kind of explained everything I needed to, so I'm just going to kind of like speed through this part. I'm fixing a few curls that were in my head, and I'm singing. I think I was listening to the A Star Is Born, the latest Star Is Born soundtrack, because I was like really into it. I love that soundtrack. Like, it really is great. But yeah, back to the whole YouTube thing. It's been very hard for YouTubers lately. They've been passing a lot of policies and kind of ruining a few things, but you know, I'm sticking to it, and I'm just happy whatever video is a hit is great for me, because then I feel like my hard work is just, it's paid off. And there's been times where I've spent hours editing like a travel vlog and it's stuck at like a very low amount of views, and like that hurts because I really want to share that with you all. And I know that a lot of you have stuck with me from the beginning, and I really appreciate that. And I've lost a few people as time has gone on because they didn't like the direction in which I went, but you can't please everybody. I've come to terms with that. I've had a lot of people call me out and say that my videos are boring or just things like that. So I try to keep it entertaining by doing looks that people don't see. But I'll try to expand it a little bit more. I really want to do more lifestyle videos, but I don't want to be one of those channels that loses its creativity and like the nostalgic videos and just only focus on vlogs. I've seen that happen to a lot of good channels where they had really great beauty content and all of a sudden it was just vlogs only. So I'm trying to do a mix, but I just want to know that you guys like the vlogs, because obviously just by the view count it seems like either you guys like don't see it in your sub boxes or you just don't care to watch it, which I understand. Vlogs can be boring, especially mine, like not the most interesting person ever. I mean, maybe if you knew me then you'd be like, okay, I want to see what she's doing. But yeah, I'm just kind of like rambling here. I thought this would be kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me. But yeah, I'm pretty much almost done with the hair. I really love this little travel kit from foxybae. You know, foxybae really comes through. They're a very genuine brand. And like I said, they didn't ask me to do this. I'm doing this all on my own just because I love their products. And I'm just sharing it with you guys. And you can either choose to be interested in it or not. I'm not that person that's going to shove it down your throat. But I am going to put what I absolutely love in my videos, and I absolutely love this brand, and my hair always looks great after using the products, and I can say that with 100% authenticity. So right here is where I put the faux clip-on bangs. It's a little strange. You can see the lines, but don't worry, I am going to be putting some headbands in there so you don't see it and it's not so bad. But yeah, I'm just kind of flipping out my bangs, and the light was hitting them so they look a little off. But anyways, yeah, I bought these headbands recently and I wanted to style them and wear them in the video. But yeah, so this is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do a look like this, tag me on Instagram or anything. All links will be down below. I love you, and thanks for listening to me vent. But anyways, bye. See you in the next video.